Hey guys, Colleen here, DIYer behind lemon-thistle.com, and today I'm excited to be comparing two different outdoor fire pit medias, rocks that you can put in an outdoor fire. So we were given this one a few weeks ago and it doesn't have rocks. So I went online and I was looking for some, like, what should I get? And there's tons of different options out there, but there's not really many comparisons. So I ordered two of my favorite looking ones from Amazon, and I want to get this space cleaned up and ready for the summer, and I'm going to compare both of them and give you my honest feedback. So before we get into it, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would so love if you did that below so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. All right, let's go. Big box, little bag. All right, so these ones are lava rock pebbles, and so pebbles meaning that they're rounder, and I chose the bigger ones. I'll put what size they are on here, but they are, of course, meant for fires. So this is what they look like. They look like lava pebbles. They're very cute. They're kind of a gray color. I would have loved a black, but this is what was available and pretty affordable as well. So let's fill it up. So I think I need about twice as many as I ordered, but that's okay because I haven't decided if I want these ones or if I want the others. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna do half and half. So I'm gonna do this half with the lava rocks and this half with the other ones I ordered, which is glass. And we're gonna see which looks better tonight. We'll get all my friends to vote and I'll give you their opinion too. So these are the lava pebbles. I like that these look cool in the daytime as well. So that was my biggest concern with the glass, is that it wouldn't look great in the daytime. It would look kind of like cheesy. And because this is kind of like our coffee table in the daytime, I want it to look awesome in the day as well as in the night. These look cool. Like, this looks awesome. I like it in the daylight before it's even lit. Option number two, smaller box. These are the glass. And so what we like about the glass is that it kind of like makes the fire dance. But in the daytime, I do think it looks a little bit cheesy. So that's why we're comparing them. So in a more appropriately sized box for the bag. But yes, this is fire glass and I chose black. So these ones are marketed as modern, which I call my style cozy modern. So let's see what we think. My concern is that this is gonna look like contemporary modern in the daytime, and while it looks super cool at night, while it's lit up with a fire, I mean, most of our lives are spent outside in the daytime, so I want it to look great right now too. You can see it's kind of like reflective black glass, almost like mirrored. And so I chose the larger chunks of this again instead of the super tiny ones, mostly to make it easier to change out if I decide I don't love it. So let's fill it up. So the other downside to this one is I've heard that it takes a whole bunch more to fill up. So I thought that these are kind of like bigger and might fill it up a little bit faster. So this is 1/2 inch fire glass. And these ones here are the 2 to 3 inch lava rocks. So obviously very different in size. Okay, so we've got both in here. We'll light it up and we'll see what we like better.
I like the rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the sparkly ones were fun.
I like the sparkly ones too.
Maybe, I also think maybe you need more.
Like
well, I will need more.
Yeah,
of whatever one I pick.
to fit.
Yeah.
Like, I think
okay. So when these were over them,
but they can't.
it didn't light.
Yes.
Like it needs that needs to have air.
Yeah, that's kind of annoying.
Whereas the rocks kind of covers that more. Gives it more oomph. I like the rocks. I don't have it.
Okay, so I like how these look in the daytime, but I think in the nighttime these are a little bit more magical.
I believe that.
Yeah, they look like a little like glittery.
Like, oh, daytime. Here's my rocks.
You always have to pay more for.
What if you like add some in? Can you do that? Like, does that make them magical?
That's definitely beautiful.
I can't see them.
No. I think they sink to the bottom unless you have a lot of them.
From over here, they're reflecting.
Okay, they totally reflect.
I prefer the black one over the gray.
You like this one?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
I like the way it just shines and how it's a bit more like more rocks than big rocks.
Yeah.
Also the black one also is kind of like a mirror.
Yeah, so it does kind of reflect the flame. You know what I was wondering? I was wondering if we did the big ones and then added a few of these in between so that it would kind of reflect the flame through the big rocks. Because I like the look of those the best.
Yeah. I think we should put the big rocks on and then like sprinkle these along.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking. Because even if I order more big rocks, we'll still have these.
I like the look of these ones, but like just sitting here, but I think the fire will look better through the black ones.
That's what we thought. What Mom thought is that to put like to do the gray rocks, but sprinkle the black ones in so that it reflects the flame.
Ooh, that's a fun idea. The best of both worlds.
Yeah. All right, so ultimately we decided to go with the lava pebbles, the larger ones, and we are using some of the glass that we have just kind of sprinkled in for a little bit of reflective, and I love the way that this looks during the day and during the evening. And so I have ordered the lava rocks and we're waiting for them to show up, but I hope that this helped you make your decision and that you enjoyed hearing all the different perspectives of all my friends and family on the fire rocks as well. I will link both of the specific rocks that we ordered down below in the description there so that you can click through and grab those if you are interested. I would love to know what you have chosen for your fire pit media, and if you are not yet following, I would so love if you subscribed down below so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.